I'm here at a Huawei store in Chongqing, China. I want to show you the brand new Nova 14 that has been released a couple of days ago. And this is the standard model, as you see here. Flat edges and a flat screen, single 50 megapixel camera there on the back, and we have some shooters there on the back as well. Very thin kind of device, shiny, glossy curves. And this one is the Pro model, I think. That might be the Ultra model even. Has dual camera on the front, as you see here. It's a 50 megapixel and I think an 8 megapixel zoom. And we have some very nice cameras there on the back as well. And here you can see also some of the models there that they have. This is the normal 14 and some others. You can see here is the predecessor, so the same design that they have kept for the various different models here. And yeah, there you can see the back of the predecessor shortly. So there's a predecessor, as you see here, and this is the new one. And this one has also a variable aperture, the Ultra model at least, and our B sensors there on board, a telezoom sensor 3.7x and an ultra wide angle and a 50 megapixel main camera sensor. Very nice device, I would say. It's a mid-range device, top of the line mid-range device from Huawei. Has the Kirin, what is it, 8020 I think it is. It's like in between the 9010 and 9020. So a little bit of a mid-range device with a higher bit of power. The vanilla model has a little bit older, I think the 8000 still processor here. This one here gives you a little bit more speed. The interesting part here is that this one here is running HarmonyOS 5.0, as you can see here. HarmonyOS Next 5.0, 501, 120, that has been also introduced as a PC version lately. And yeah, this one is fully equipped with NFC, sadly only USB Type-C 2.0, which is a bit of a downer here, I would say. But let's take some sample shots and see how it will look like. So we will take some sample shots now. I know what everyone wants. Everyone wants to see the new Huawei MateBook or the Huawei MateBook Fold. Sadly, I went to two Huawei stores here in the mall in Chongqing, China, Bishan district. I couldn't find any. They don't have it on stock. And even the larger one, the bigger Huawei store I went to, they have only the Huawei Nova 14 Ultra model, not even the real deal, sadly. So this is a little bit of a downer here, I would say. Maybe I'll try to find at the airport a glimpse of maybe the foldable MateBook and the MateBook 14 or MateBook Pro actually, which is 14-inch, with their own operating system and their own chip, ARM-based chip. We have to see. But yeah, sadly that's it for now. Caught a little bit of a glimpse of the Nova 14. Sadly will not come globally, I think, because first of all, the Nova series usually is not coming globally, and secondly, it is their own chip and their own operating system that has not been announced. The HarmonyOS 5 version or HarmonyOS Next has not been announced for the global market yet. So we'll have to wait until probably the Pura 80 comes out and the global strategy for rolling out HarmonyOS Next is clear. That's it. Until the next time. Bye.